Hey everyone, welcome back to ACT Math Quick Hits. I'm Paul Beckvar. We are here to help you make one small change so that you can help improve your math ACT score. You don't have to spend much time, you don't have to spend any money, and you can learn some ACT math concepts and test taking strategies. So here's our breakdown of the ACT math section, and let's get back into it. All right, so this question here talks about an object being launched with an object is launched vertically at 30 meters per second from a 55-meter tall platform. Okay, so that's a lot of stuff happening right there. However, if we read the next statement, it says the height, h of t, so function notation in meters, of an object t seconds after launched is modeled by this equation, right? It gives us this equation. Then it just says what will the height in meters of the object be after 3 seconds. So this one is going to be straight up Desmos. Desmos is really going to help us a lot with this. We could do this algebraically, but it's going to be a lot more difficult. So we can just type everything directly into Desmos. We can put it in the function notation. So that's no big deal. We can even use the t variable. So as long as we said h of t, and then we put in t as our unknown, everything just matches up exactly. So here's what's happening, right? It gives us a picture on Desmos of us launching this object, right? It talks about the initial or the platform being 55 meters tall. So there's that piece right there. That's the y-intercept. So again, interesting stuff, but it doesn't help us answer this question, right? It wants to know what is the height of the object 3 seconds after launch. So 3 is the amount of time, right? So what we can do is we can do t equals 3. And look at that. So Desmos actually won't read it for us now. It does our function okay, but now it doesn't want, or now it gets confused with what that value is going to be. So we do have to go back to the x, right? So we can put it in as a t, but then to finish this, we have to put it x. So our time, our input variable is t, but Desmos makes us go back to using an x piece. So notice it puts a vertical line here. So all we now do is we look to see where do these two pieces intersect. So just to get a better idea of that intersection point, again, I can just click close to where it's at, and it's going to give me that value. So 3 comma 100.9, right? And so again, 100.9 is our height after 3 seconds. So again, really easy with Desmos. Lets us know exactly where it's at. Easy calculation. A little cumbersome because we used t, and then it made us go back to the x piece there. But overall, not too bad. So I get it that this isn't the most fun, entertaining stuff to do, but your future self will thank you if you like and subscribe. That way you can keep getting these ACT math quick hits and keep getting these strategies, tips, and ways to help yourself with the ACT math test. Thanks, everyone.